So for this question, we're going to use the formula E equals mc squared, where E is going to be the energy released, that's what we're looking for. M is going to be the mass defect. In other words, M is the difference in mass between products and reactants. And then C is our speed of light. And so the mass is going to have to be in kilograms, and the C value is going to have to be in meters per second for the energy to come out as joules. And so just you need to know that that's how the units cancel out in order. If everything is in SI, then you'll get the energy in joules, and that's just the most convenient unit. So our first step is to figure out M, and so that's going to be, first we're going to add up the masses of the products. So that's going to be 4.0026 plus 1.008665, and this is all going to be atomic mass units. Now we're going to subtract the mass of the reactants, so that's 2.014 plus 3.01603. And so, we'll pump out some value for the change in mass. That's going to be 0.01876. And that value is actually negative. There's more mass in the reactants, and so that's telling us that we're going to have that release of energy. And so this is in atomic mass units, and if we want this in kilograms, we're just going to have to do that conversion. This is one that you can think about using Avogadro's number, but there's also it's nice to just know that the value, the conversion is that for one atomic mass unit, so that's going to be in the denominator here, so it can cancel out. We have 1.66 times 10 to negative 27th kilograms. And so you can see the atomic mass units will cancel out, and we're going to get a value for our final mass, and that's going to be 3.116 times 10 to the negative 29th kilograms. So we're going to take this value right here. We're going to plug that into M right here. C, as always, is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. It's really like 2.99, but 3 works also. And so you can plug this in, and out will come an energy in joules, and that will be 2.8 times 10 to negative 12 joules. And I guess the book gives us a negative here. Well, I guess that's appropriate to say, but really you just have to know that it's the energy being released, so it doesn't really matter if you put a negative or positive.